Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back on another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the TP-Link mini wireless and USB adapter. So this was £6 on sale, I believe. Otherwise it's normally £10. So this goes up to 300 megabytes per second, Wi-Fi, USB 2.0, WPS button to connect to the router easily. You just press button on the router, easy connect. The only thing is with this one, it doesn't have an antenna, so the signal might be weak. We'll see how it is. You get 3-year warranty with this one. TP-Link's a known networking brand, so that's good. Supports all the new softwares. Okay, that's how you connect to it. It's very small, by the way. Nothing else there. Just a sticker. Let me take this off for you guys. Okay, let's open this up now. I do like the packaging. Pretty cool. So you get a manual how to set it up. That's the easy way, WPS button. And then the actual adapter itself comes in like this. What the fuck to put it? It's on this side or that side? On either sides. And driver CD as well. Legal stuff. Yeah, that's it. It's inside the casing. There you go. This is how small it is, very small. Hopefully it's good with signal. If not, maybe I have to get a new one. Look how small that is, guys. So yeah, that's the device. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.